Welcome to Bangkok, Thailand. We are back today in one of our favorite cities in the whole world.
Yeah, this is definitely one of our favorite places to be. And today we are heading to Siam, which is a big mall. It's 10 stories and it's got over 7,000 shops. All right. So back row. Express boat. 8 baht a piece, so 16 baht, so 50 cents. Gosh, there's so many people here. That fountain is so cool.
Everything is so cool.
How does that even work? What?
Coffee?
Yeah, let's get coffee. So the first stop is the Louis Vuitton store. We're gonna get a Louis Vuitton bag. I would like a Louis Vuitton suitcase bag and also a full jumpsuit that I can wear on the plane when I sit in coach, when I sit in economy. And Haley would also like a Louis Vuitton purse. So that's going to be our first stop. We're going to buy a Louis Vuitton bag.
And then we will no longer be traveling because we'll have no money.
Because we would have spent our entire budget. Actually, our first stop is going to be coffee.
Coffee. It's always coffee.
Gotta get caffeinated first. Look at this golden deer. This is awesome. I'll put this in my house. That thing is crazy. Golden buck. Or how much that thing costs. See, Haley always be leaving me. I'm always trying to do something. She's just off on her own. She always be leaving me. So where should we go next? Should we go to, I don't know, maybe like, we'll go to, they got good stuff here. Taylor said she's leaving, she's tired of my dad jokes. All right, we made it to Van Hart. Coffee from the heart. Coffee from the Van Hart. At this point, Haley has gotten tired of my dad jokes, so she's already inside and has left me to order her coffee and probably go sit at a separate table. What's going on over here?
About to get some coffee.
Okay.
Is this good?
Yeah, this table's good. Man, look, there's nobody else in here. I actually reserved the place out. I called and asked them if I could reserve the entire place, and they said, since you're so famous, we will...
Famous?
Yeah, since you're so famous and rich and attractive, we will book the whole place out just for you.
I'm sure that's
So this is your special date. Alright, I got the Thai fragrant latte. Oh, we got 2 tops. That means it's extra good. It tastes like a candle. Like, this is very specific. You know when you blow out a candle, like a fragrant candle, and it's been lit for a long time, and you blow it out, and you have that kind of like that smell, that smoky smell that's like, something smoky. It smells like a smoky candle. That's what this tastes like. Apparently that's the Thai fragrances in it. I have no idea what they put in that to make it taste like that. Pretty
Cheers.
good.
pretty good coffee.
Been sipping on this like a fine wine. Look, they got the durian stand.
Durian ice cream. I can smell it.
Durian ice cream, durian sticky rice. Oh, they even got. Oh, they have a durian smoothie. Oh my gosh! Look at all that.
Are you gonna try some or no?
I don't know. I can't decide. It stinks. It is so stinky. So our hotel that we stayed in before, it was a 5,000 baht fine just for bringing durian into the hotel. And then the Airbnb also sent us a message that there's no durian allowed in the Airbnb. So it's very stinky. Oh, also the trains don't allow durian. You can't bring durian on the trains. So if you buy durian, you pretty much have to eat it where you're at because it's super stinky. And I guess enough people brought it on trains or in hotels, and then people complained about it. So they literally have like fines about it and laws about it that you can't eat durian in certain places because it really does stink pretty bad. But apparently people like it, and it's kind of, as far as fruit goes in Thailand, it's kind of expensive. Like a little piece of durian is like 150 baht. Which is like $5. If you want a big piece, it's like 300, 400, 500 baht. So it's like $10 to $15 for a piece of durian. But apparently it is the king of fruits, is what they say. So I don't know. We may try one. We may try one and test it out. I mean, if all these people are buying it, it's got to be good, right? Maybe it's just stinky and that's not good. But we might test it out. Haven't convinced myself yet.
Welcome to Siam. Please take care of your belongings so as not to miss an accident. We wish you happiness and wonderful days. Thank you.
Look at this squid,
Gosh.
the giant squid.
Giant squid. Some prawns, some corn, of course. I got corn everywhere. Ooh, look at that crispy pork. That looks good. Oh, mangosteen. That's the other thing that the hotels say you can't bring in for whatever reason. Mangosteen and durian. Maybe mangosteen stinks as well. Have not tried mangosteen either, but that's what that is. And these look like, I'm not sure. Oh, look at this gator. Oh my gosh. Wonder if it's good. Looks like someone's had some pieces from it. It looks fresh too, because the whole thing's there. I think I'll pass on the gator for now. Got, looks like big imitation crab, and then got real crab next to it. More squids. Massive, wow, look at those. Massive prawns. Lobsters, with cheese-filled lobster. Man, they got everything here. I read that there's over 7,000 stores in Siam in this mall, and they have 10 levels. So 10 different floors, 7,000 stores. I think maybe it's not 7,000 stores. I think it's maybe like total like booths and everything. That's the only way I could see it being 7,000. But you could literally visit like a ton of places here every single day for a year and never buy something from the same place twice. This is the best orange juice in the history of orange juice. Any fresh squeezed orange juice in Thailand that's being sold on the street or even right here, but not in 7-Eleven. Don't buy the 7-Eleven orange juice. You have to buy it fresh on the street. That is the best orange juice you will ever have in your life. It's like they got grilled stingray there.
This is so cool.
Oh my gosh. Ooh.
So cool. Oh, I like want to eat something.
You want some durian? No?
The smell is too much for me.
150. Okay.
It smells horrific.
First taste of a durian. I do not have high hopes for this. I shouldn't have looked up what it tastes like. Someone said it tastes like rotten onions. It actually smells like a little yeah, it does smell like rotten onions. Okay, I see the onion flavor. Oh, it does taste a little bit like onions. It's not bad. It's a little like creamy though.
What do you rate it on a scale
It's
of 1 to
creamy.
10?
That's like my favorite fruit compared to not favorite fruit.
Just like 1 to 10, yeah.
a
10.
6.
Oh, that's better
A
than I
6.
thought.
It's better than I expected based off all the signs that we saw that said that it's like they'll fine you $150 if you bring durian into your hotel.
Hold on, let me like fix this.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Okay.